Imagine a car so agile it can spin like a top and glide sideways like a crab. That's not science fiction. It's the Baojun Yureye, a game-changer in the world of electric vehicles. At first glance, it might seem like just another compact SUV, but wait until you see its magic on the road. This car is rewriting the rules of urban driving with its four-wheel steering technology. Picture this. You're stuck in a cramped parking lot. With most cars, you'd awkwardly inch forward and back, hoping to squeeze into a tight space. But not with the Yureye. This little marvel can execute a full 360-degree turn in place, spinning around effortlessly like a ballerina on wheels. Need to move sideways to park or dodge an obstacle? The Yureye's crab walkability lets it glide diagonally, making parallel parking a breeze and tight urban corners feel like wide-open roads. And here's the kicker, it's affordable. Baojun has managed to pack cutting-edge technology into a car that doesn't break the bank. While features like four-wheel steering are usually reserved for luxury vehicles, the Yureye democratizes innovation, making it accessible to a wider audience. It's not just a car. It's a bold statement that futuristic driving should be for everyone. But the magic doesn't stop there. The Yureye is as practical as it is innovative. It boasts a sleek, boxy design with customizable color options that scream personality. The interior is loaded with tech, offering a smart dashboard, voice commands, and connectivity features that keep you in control. Its electric drivetrain ensures a clean, quiet ride, with a range perfect for city commutes and short road trips. So, where does the Yureye fit in the market? It's carving out its own niche as the urban warrior for the tech-savvy driver. With its maneuverability, affordability, and style, it's perfect for young professionals, small families, or anyone tired of the daily parking struggle. The Yureye doesn't just get you from point A to B, it redefines how you experience the journey. In a world where cars often feel like variations of the same theme, the Baojun Yureye dares to be different. It's not just another electric vehicle. It's a glimpse into the future of driving, and that future is within reach. The Baojun Yureye isn't just about flashy features. It's a practical solution for modern urban challenges. As cities grow more crowded and parking spaces shrink, a vehicle with this level of agility can save time, reduce stress, and even make driving fun again. Imagine effortlessly navigating narrow alleyways, dodging traffic jams, or squeezing into that impossibly small parking spot while others look on in envy. The Yureye proves that advanced engineering isn't just for show. It's a tool to make daily life easier and more convenient. With its bold personality and innovative features, the Yureye sends a clear message. Driving can still be exciting, efficient, and affordable.